Hey guys, Ralph here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove your wheel lock if you lost your key. First thing you need is to have a 12-point socket. So this one is the 12-point. So my lock nut size is 21 millimeter. So you just need to go two size down. So this one is 19. We're going to use the 19 millimeter. The next step is to grab a hammer. I'm using this one instead of the regular hammer because it's much solid. And then here's yours 12-point socket. Just need to do something like this. You're going to hammer it. Using a breaker bar, we're going to try to remove it. Okay. Try it. I think we got it. And we remove our wheel lock without using the key. So if you want to try to use it in a different tire and you just need to remove this, just grab one of this lug nut, sockets, and then it should be a little bit bigger than the one that you have, and then like that, put it like that, and then hammer this with a pin punch. So we're going to hammer it down. And there you go. Here's your wheel lock. Alright guys, so here's our wheel lock. We're not going to use that anymore. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.